All right, let's do this again. This time question 10 and question 11. Now question 10 is simply solving an equation, and I can't just solve it for you and give the answer. So we're going to practice doing a similar one. So I'm going to say 10x minus 2 equals 5x plus 18. Now in class this year we talked about when we have variables on each side, we need to choose what side do we want the variable to be on. And we look at the coefficient of x. So 10 is bigger than 5, so let's put the variable over here. Now obviously we've looked at the expression on each side of this equal sign, and there's no other simplifying we can do. We can't combine like terms. There's no distributive properties, so we are ready to solve. So let's take this 5x away from both sides, and that will give us 5x minus 2 equals, and now we just have 18. So now that we're trying to get the 5x on the x on the left, we need to get rid of this constant, so it's subtracting 2, so we're going to add 2. And if we add 2 on both sides, we end up with 5x equals 20. Now it's a simple one-step equation. Divide by 5, divide by 5, x equals 4. And don't forget that we can always double check our answer. So if I take 4 and put it back in here, and then put it back in here, I can double check. So 4 times 10 is 40, minus 2 is 38, and 4 times 5 is 20, plus 18 is 38. So both sides are equal, so we did that correctly. Now question 11, we're talking about transformation, and we've got to choose how is this triangle ending up here. So we've got some options. All right, and so if I reflected it over the x-axis, it would look something like this. All right, so you can decide for yourself whether that's the right option or not. Now, if I reflect it over y equals x, I'm kind of working backwards here. That would be a line that kind of goes like this. So it would actually, you would end up with this reflected over this line. It'd be very similar in the same place, but it would have a different orientation. So I'm not sure that's the right one. What about rotation now? Now 90-degree rotation, either way, whether it's counterclockwise or whether it's clockwise, is not going to put us in the right quadrant. Okay? So, based on all that information, you have to look at your possible answers and decide which one of those is going to get you where you need to go. Hopefully that helps with question 10 and 11, and hope you're making good progress on day 2.